Knock, knock.
Hi, Mom.
Hi,
Welcome
Eva.
to my home. Come on in. So we have our little small garden here. This is where we grow our fresh plants and fruits. And then we walk into our house. It's a really hot day today. Let's get some AC. We have some fresh fruit. Would you like some?
Oh, maybe later. Thank you.
We go into our bedroom here. We have a perfectly
Wow.
made bed every morning. I just love having a fresh bed. And then come in here. Our main bathroom. So this is where my walk-in closet is.
Ooh.
I have 2 sinks so I can share. But this is where I do all my skincare and my beauty.
Glow with Ava.
Exactly. This is where the magic happens. And then we walk in here. This is my favorite part of the place. I love taking a bath every single morning, and we literally handpick fresh petals every morning and put it in the bathtub. So this is where I do my self-care. In the morning, I'll just go right out here. Come on out. So, own personal pool. I have breakfast here every morning, and then I read my book here, and then sometimes I'll just go out here to have our dinner and supper as we watch the sunset from this view. And the water is cleaned every single day as well.